What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check for nearby friends on Instagram. So what you want to do guys, you want to click on the search icon there on the lower left hand side on Instagram, right? From here you want to use a search field and you want to type in a location. So I'm going to type for example Prague, and then I'm going to hit search. From there you want to scroll across and you want to click on places, and this will give you the location. So I'm going to select the Prague, Czech Republic here, and I'm going to click to get started because I didn't click it before. Now, from here, you can click on recent, guys. As you can see, for example, this person here, this person, let's say, is in Prague. The picture was posted 2 minutes ago, and I guess this picture was taken within recent days, right? Or it could be even today, who knows? But this person is in Prague, as you can see, right? They posted this picture and as well, and you can find it again if you click on more people here. You can see this picture was posted 6 minutes ago, and in real, most likely these people are in Prague, are recently in Prague. So you'll find these people in Prague because they are posting this picture very recently, and they're tagging the location. Of course, it could be possible that this person was in Prague and they just wanted to post a picture now and just simply tag Prague, Czech Republic, right? But the probability of these people being in Prague is very, very high. And that's how you can easily do it. Now, another way that you can do this, guys, is that you can go ahead and you can zoom out in the map. So as it shows in, as you can see in the map here, you can see different locations. So you can zoom in and you will see different icons there of different places. So what I'm gonna do, for example, I zoom in here and I'm gonna find something that is very close to me. So for example, let's say Vaslav Senamiste, this one here. So if I tap on this, this will show you this specific location and people who were in this specific location. You want to do again, click recent, and this will show you the recent photos or videos of people who recently post videos and photos of the specific location. So as you can see, this person here 5 hours ago, I guess this person was in Prague. And that's how you basically do it, guys. You can come here and use this specification or these settings in order to find nearby friends in a particular location. And it's not only within this specific location, you can zoom out, guys, and as you can see, you can go to any location, even every different country. As you can see, even in Germany here, you can do the same thing. Dresden in Germany here, you can do it for the entire world. As you can see, have a look at that. If you go all the way here, this is even Paris, and you can even do all the way to UK. You can go there, London. You can zoom all the way down into London. You can go to various places as you go down as well. So this is how you can easily do it, guys. I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and if you find this useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.